Kayak Classic, CJ Strike Reservoir, Idaho. We got our boat checked, make sure we didn't have any tackle with us, we weren't cheating. And kind of shoot a tackle that we're going with.
Small container of bait. Small container of panfish stuff. Here's your hooks and your sinkers. Here's a bag of lures. Here's a bag of plastics. You all have a package of number 6 hooks. Here's a bag of marshmallows and crappie nibbles and stuff. Here's another bag of your poor man Ned rigs and some scents.
This little crawdad pattern flicker shad, something I would use anyway. So we're going to use this troll over to a spot and see what we can catch. It's any fish. It's a point system. So whatever fish you catch goes off points or length per inch. So that'd be interesting. It's kind of cool though, because that way if you catch crappie or perch, you actually have a chance if somebody else catches bigger fish, like carp. I don't know what the points are yet. It's on a website. But I ain't worried about it. I'll look it up at home. Maybe an idea used for a tournament up home. So, anyway, just about tied on and just hooked myself. And we'll go fishing. And my worm's gone. So either had something or she came off. I love this pawl. What a good pawl.
How did you do that?
Pulled it down so I could hook it. It was barely bat.
Oh, I've done that once too. That pisses me off.
Yeah, you shoot them. Oh!
There you go. Come on, baby.
Please don't be off. Oh my God. Dude, that thing hit like a train and that is a tiny trout. Holy jeez.
All right?
Huh?
I'm gonna keep moving.
Yeah.
What did it hit on?
That Rapala?
All right, good.
Dude, it hit like a freaking train. Thought I was gonna lose my bow. We caught trout. And now I'm gonna be back at the beach before I can get everything done. Alright, I caught a 13.25 little rainbow. Nothing big. Getting back. And swimming. There it goes. And then, okay, we got that fish. Now we get more. Different species. I got my trout. I'm gonna troll for a little more so you can get a little bigger one, but whew. I thought that was big for me. I don't know if on this other camera you can see the way my pole bent, but holy crap. I thought it came off too for a minute. So anyway, finally caught a fish. I was in a pretty crap mood paddling this wind. So, but we'll get on it. Mood's up a little bit now. Just need to go catch some different fish now. Of course, it's a stinking trout. I know how to catch trout. Don't even really want to catch trout. Caught trout. At this point, I don't know how many or anything. We gotta get some other fish. At least I smell fishy. I guess that's close. That carp jump on this other camera. I'm gonna stop it. That was a pretty good one. That's good. What'd you get? Well, I guess Bill caught a fish. Said on the radio. Doesn't want to answer me on what he got. I was over here in this cove, couldn't hear him on the radio, so now I'm paddling over where he is. I think he is. I don't know. Couldn't hear him. So hopefully got something good. I ain't gonna catch nothing out here in the middle, I'm sure. Trying to pull a worm, maybe snag, not snag, but catch one of these carp that I've been seeing jump out here since carp's part of the tournament. Anyway, things aren't looking too great for any more fish, but we'll see, I guess. It's windy, and it sucks trying to fight this wind.
I got
Did you see you caught something?
Yeah, I got one. Trout. Hey, what did you tell boys catch, man? We want to caught trout.
How big was it?
13, 14.
Well,
Trying to get one more.
you didn't even pay attention?
Dude, I was getting looking down the river. I was like trying not to go.
Would you get a picture?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dude, yeah. It's nice to snap too quick, but you can move it. I'm like,
Yeah. Hey, oh, God, Bill.
That's why you put a float on it, right? Hey, that float just saved that rod, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh. Four out.
Everybody from different states too. I mean, we got Washington, Oregon, Utah, and Idaho, all 4 of us together. I'll just do the top 5. But first, the biggest perch that came out of here was from Sharon. Sharon caught an 11 3/4 inch perch. The biggest fish of the day happened to be a smallmouth. That was a total stud from Jed Rivera, 19 1/4. The only person today that caught 3 fish, or 3 different species today, with 446.5 points. He had a perch, a smallmouth, and a crappie. Is the one and only Jeremy Miller. There's your first place plaque. Thank you.
I didn't get anything.
Come here, baby.
He'll give it to you later.
You're
honey.
gonna get. You're wearing it.